Hello students, this is video for comparing and ordering fraction. Page number 101. See what is the meaning of heading this here? Comparing and ordering fraction. Comparing means comparison. So here we tell who is bigger or who is smaller. And what is the meaning here? Ordering, we know increasing order and decreasing order. That concept is here. So try to understand. See here, see and learn. Comparing and ordering unit fractions. So what is the meaning of unit fraction here? See here, it is given. See, first fraction is 1 by 2, then 1 by 3, then 1 by 6 and 1 by 15. So we know, yes, this upper number is numerator and lower number is denominator. So if numerator is 1, see all numerators are 1. So if numerator is 1, see here it is given, a fraction whose numerator is 1 is called unit fraction. So when numerator is 1, we call them unit fraction. So first of all we are going to compare unit fractions. So see first figure, here we are making 3 parts. We know this colored part is 1 by 3. Here we are making total 4 parts and this is color part, it is 1 by 4. So here also numerator is 1, here also 1. Now we are going to compare. If you think generally, see, for this figure we are making 3 parts, here we are making 4 parts. So from these 3, if we consider only 1 part, and from this 4 we consider only 1 part. So definitely when we are making 3 parts, 1 part definitely it will be bigger than this part. Yes, okay, so here we can say this 1 by 3 is bigger than 1 by 4, or opposite way is also there. This 1 by 4 is smaller than 1 by 3. Here it is written. Now consider second example. See which fraction is smallest, which fraction is greatest. Okay, now check. See here, in first diagram total parts are 9. Yes, we know how to find it from denominator. So here, and if we want to show only 1 part, it is 1 by 9. Yes, here total parts are 5 and we are selecting, here green color shows only 1 part, so it is 1 by 5. And here it is total parts are 7, so it is 1 by 7. Now we want to compare them, who is bigger or who is smaller, or we can arrange them from small to big or smallest to greatest. Okay, so see what is given here. Can you tell which fraction is greater or smaller than another by comparing the numerators and denominators? Okay, so compare them here. See, in first figure total 9 parts. So definitely we have to understand this. See, whenever we make more parts, and if we consider only 1 part, it automatically become small. Yes, here total 9 parts are there, and see this is 1 by 9. Here total parts are 9 and this is 1 by 5. So definitely if you consider only these two, here total parts are 5, here total parts are 9. So this one part is becoming smaller, this is bigger. Okay, and if we consider all at once, it means all 3 diagrams. See what will happen here. Here 1 by 7 is there. So total parts are 7, here total parts are 9 and total parts are 5. So as we can see, as total parts are less, automatically this part become bigger. So here you can see what is written here. See, 1 by 5 is greatest part. So this 1 by 5 is greatest. Then which one is smallest? Where number of parts are more. Here 9 parts are there. So this 1 by 9 is smallest. So we can arrange them now. 1 by 9 smallest. This is here 1 by 5 is greatest, and this will come, this 1 by 7 will come in between them. Okay, it means 1 by 9. Okay, this is smallest. Then 1 by 7 is bigger than this 1 by 9. So I am writing this 1 by 7, and this 1 by 5 is bigger than this 1 by 7. Hello students. Yes, now come to the page number 102. Next page. See here, comparing and ordering what is given like fractions. So first of all, try to understand what is the meaning of like fractions. See here, fractions that have same denominator are called like fractions. And some examples are given. See, 4 by 11, 2 by 11, 7 by 11 are like fractions. So what is the meaning here? Their denominators are same. Here also 11, here also 11, here also 11. So if denominators are same, we say they are like fractions. Okay, so try to compare them now. See in first figure, total parts are 5, colored, or yes, here yellow color parts, how many parts are there? 2. So it is 2 by 5. In second figure it is 3 by 5. So in both figures denominator is 5. So they are like fraction. So now how to compare them? It is actually easy. Yes, when denominators are same. Because yes, you can easily tell, see, when denominator here also 5, total parts are 5, here also total parts are 5. So just see where we are selecting more parts here. So automatically this will become bigger. Yes, so see here it is written 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Now for 3 figures. Again see, here 4 parts are colored, here 2 parts are colored, here 7 parts are colored. But this is 4 by 11, this is 2 by 11, and this is 7 by 11. In all, denominator is same. So they are like fractions. So it is easy to compare. Just we have to compare their numerator. So automatically see what will happen here. Who will become bigger than, or biggest or greatest, where number of parts are more. So here how many parts are selected or colored? 7. So this 7 by 11 is greatest. Then second number, this 4 by 11, and then this 2 by 11 is smallest. So this is decreasing order from greatest to smallest. 7 by 11, 4 by 11, and 2 by 11. Now come to the page number 103. 103. See here, do and learn. First question, what fraction of each rectangle is colored? Yes, we know this concept already. See, total parts, count them. Total parts are 9 and colored part 1. So it becomes 1 by 9. Like this, it becomes 1 by 6, and this is 1 by 7. Now second part in this question, arrange the fractions from greatest to smallest. Okay, so first of all we have to find who is greatest here. See, here denominators are different. Okay, but here numerators are same, and same means they are 1. So actually we know how to compare unit fractions. Yes, see here, what we want first? Greatest. So who is greatest? Where number of parts are less. So where number of parts are less? Here. So I will write first 1 by 6. Then who is after 6? 7 is coming. So here total number of parts are 7. So at second number we will come 1 by 7, and then at last 1 by 9. So this 1 by 9 is smallest. Now second question, what fraction of each rectangle is colored? Again first part is same. Total parts are, see, if you count, total parts are 8. Colored parts are 3. So it becomes 3 by 8. Like this becomes 2 by 8, and this is 7 by 8. Now if you see here, denominators are same. So they are like fractions. So in like fraction we directly compare numerators. So here what arrangement we want? See, arrange the fractions from smallest to greatest. So here different is concept. Okay, see here greatest is first, here smallest is first. So find out smallest. Where yes, less parts are selected? Here it is 2 by 8. So smallest is 2 by 8. After that 3 by 8. So here see 2 by 8. After that 3 by 8 is coming. And at last what we want? Greatest. So where maximum parts are selected? Here 7 by 8. So here 7 by 8 is coming. So this is the smallest to greatest order. 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 7 by 8.